This is our X-Row unit. It can take that deep cog, like I mentioned, 30-inch cog. Parallel arms come off. These coulters come off. Run 4 to 8 inches deep. You can shell it up more if you want, but that's typically what people run. You know, that 5-inch range is a really good range. Starting at the front, I said there's a little airbag on here. That's our pneumatic row cleaner. We've been using these forever. Control the pressure from the cab. Or there's a hole right here. Stick a pin in there and they lock up. This is our lead coulter. It's a 17-inch coulter. Happens to be a 13 wave on here now. And I think we've only got one customer who's ever changed from that. We've used 13 on every machine. Used to be a gauge wheel here, so if some of you have a Warrior that's older and you haven't updated, or if you've seen one with a big roller here, we removed the gauge wheel about 3 or 4 years ago and updated it with this. It's backwards compatible to all the old machines as well. But this cover crop we're standing in here got so popular and people were running the coulter through it, and you had a little strip of cover crop left in the center sometimes. This totally takes care of that problem. So, 2 tillage coulters. These are 20-inch. You can put up to a 22 on there. Lots of different options if you have different ground. These are the containment coulters. Like I mentioned, we've got this dirt storm basically. So you've got these excavating the furrow, throwing it up in the air. Fertilizer coming out right here. This is a dual system for research where it's got dry and liquid on it. So it's spraying and shooting into that soil. And the dirt's coming up, it's mixing. Containment coulters catch it and drop it down. It fills that furrow back in. You can see they're pitched together in the back. They're adjustable up here. You can change your pitch, and that changes the height of your berm. Taller berm, pitch them in. You want a flatter berm, pitch them out. And then a rolling basket. This one is up. It was up yesterday. I was hoping it still was. This is put up for fall operation. So if you have a winter where you actually, have freeze thaw, most guys will pin them up, then let winter take care of, filling that furrow down. If you don't have something like that, or if you want to crumble it right away, or if you're going to plant into it right away, leave the basket down. If you want a flat berm, these little bars are in here. If you want to build that berm up and have it a hump berm, pull the bars out, and you can see there's a radius here, and it'll build a crown berm. So that's about it for the actual machine part. Again, this is a research machine. It's got 1 dry bin on it, 1 liquid. Our typical machines are 1, 2, or 3 dry bins. You get your choice. Our meter system's capable of putting on up to about 500 pounds of product per bin at that 8 to 10 mile an hour range. If you slow down, you can obviously put more on. If you run the same product in multiple bins, I mean, we have guys putting 1,100 pounds of stuff on.